officials say the danger of the Ebola outbreak in Central Africa may be underestimated here in the U.S. 2 additional airports are now prepared to screen Americans who've been to a country at the heart of the outbreak. National correspondent Atra El-Nashar spoke to the State Department about efforts to keep this virus out of the U.S.
All hands really are on deck.
At the State Department in Washington, D.C., officials are playing an essential role in shielding Americans from a rapidly spreading Ebola outbreak thousands of miles away.
We are right now trying to control it.
With no treatment or vaccine available, this specific type of Ebola, the Bundibugyo strain, is believed to have killed at least 220 people in Central Africa.
A lot of the numbers you're seeing and the rapid rise of the numbers is because it went undetected and underreported for probably 3 or 4 weeks.
The World Health Organization upgrading the Ebola risk level in the Democratic Republic of Congo to very high as the country experiences more than 900 suspected cases.
We are still on the peak of this outbreak.
In addition to the Democratic Republic of Congo and Uganda, the Africa Centers for Disease Control and Prevention now says these 11 countries are also at risk of an outbreak. The U.S. surging resources to the region.
We have mobilized over $23 million to the DRC, Uganda, also to South Sudan. These funds are to support monitoring, detection, response efforts.
The first known American tested positive for Ebola about a week ago, Dr. Peter Stafford. The medical missionary was exposed while treating patients at a Congolese hospital where he's worked since 2023. Stafford was flown to Germany for treatment.
Should any American who gets sick with this, are they expected to go to Germany as well? As the United States going to let them in to be treated?
I think this is on a case-by-case basis. We're really looking at what makes the most sense for that individual person.
Non-U.S. citizens who've been to the Democratic Republic of Congo, Uganda, or South Sudan in the past 21 days will not be allowed entry into the United States. Americans who've been there must enter through one of 3 airports for screening: Washington Dulles, Hartfield-Jackson in Atlanta, and George Bush Intercontinental in Houston. In Washington, I'm Atra El-Nashar reporting.